Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing our very first cash stuffing for the new year of the first paycheck. So in this video we're only going to be focusing on mainly household items, savings, making sure like my emergency funds are back up to where they need to be, things like that. Okay, we're gonna start off with car maintenance. I did order tracking cards for each envelope. I'm waiting for Amazon to bring that, as well as I ordered another binder with more envelopes because here I have some like regular envelopes because they don't have like an actual insert envelope. So I'm waiting for Amazon to bring the second binder, and then my next video will go over the two different binders and what they mean for cash stuffing. So, like I said, we're gonna do $10 for car maintenance. So $10. Household items is getting $15. Christmas is getting $15. Our groceries is getting $40. Car insurance is getting $20. Okay, so we have $40, $20. Perfect. Next, we're going to be doing travel. Travel is going to be getting at $30. Because you guys know I love to travel. It is my go-to for stress relief. So I need to always make sure I have funds for traveling. Question of the day, do you guys have a fund for traveling? And if so, where was the last vacation you guys took? I know right now we're in a pandemic and everything, but what was the last vacation you guys took? For travel. Next, we're going to do beauty and hobby are going to be combined as to one, and that is going to get $20. And hobbies, I do have a Cricut and I do sew, so that's where that comes from, because sewing and my Cricut maker are both expensive. Gas is going to be getting $40. I know right now we have 5 kids. Each of them do get $5 per check stuffed into their envelope. So we'll stuff theirs real quick. Perfect. And so for my emergency funds, it is going to get $42 this paycheck. So we got 20 and 40 and 2. So $42. Savings is going to get $125. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, and 5. So I did get a gift card for Christmas, which I do have a gift card envelope. This is a Chili's or Over the Border gift card. So I am gonna throw this gift card in here. Put it back here. Okay, now for the savings challenge. I am going to be doing, I know for sure I'm doing 2 of them. I want to do so I have a little jar. It's going to be, this one's going to be digital. I'm going to flip it around so you can kind of see how it looks. But we are going to keep track of it. So I want to save maybe each video on here. I will let you know where we stand. Right now we're starting at 0. So each day starting today, and today is the 10th, we are going to be transferring whatever change that are in my checking accounts to my savings account. So at the end of the night, I want to make sure I am at a even balance with no change in my checking account, and that's going to transfer right over to my savings. I don't know if I should do it monthly and just let you know how much. Actually, that is what I'm going to do. So I'm actually going to be keeping track of it monthly, and I'll let you guys know. I would say the first check of every month of that video, I'll let you guys know where we stand for the savings of the change savings. And then the second one I want to start is I don't know if I want to do the 7 days a week, so whatever day it is. So like Monday, like the 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, like, you know, those ones, or if I just want to have like a flat fee and saying this is what I want to save each paycheck. Actually, I'm gonna make it simple. I'm gonna be doing $50 every 2 weeks, so $100 every paycheck. So the next paycheck, I'm gonna be doing that saving challenge. I don't know what it's called or what it is, but that's what I'm gonna be doing. So this one's gonna be digital, and then I'm gonna have one as well that I stuff. I just wanna leave you guys with a quote of the day. This one says, "A goal without a plan is just a wish." So write it down. If you guys have a goal, write it down and take baby steps to get there. Even if you're saving, you want to save $300 by the end of the year, baby steps. That's what I'm going to leave you guys with today. Stay tuned for the next video. You guys, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye now.